Multiplexes are all set to open up across the country from tomorrow under Unlock 5.0 guidelines issued by the Ministry of Home Affairs. Movie theatres across the country have been made preparations for safe return of patrons after being shut since March because of coronavirus outbreak. According to the SOPs, thermal screening of viewers at every entry point is a must. Cinebuffs will also have to wear masks at all times and maintain social distancing. Cinema halls will be allowed to open up at 50% capacity and people will have to maintain one-seat distance. Moreover, timings of shows will also be staggered in order to ensure that there is no overlapping of viewers. Hand washing, sanitization provision will also be made there. Besides mandatory use of Arogya Setu app and providing of cell phone numbers to all those for contact tracing.
For months, if you've been sitting at home, the unlock guidelines are now opening cinema halls across the country. And what are the COVID protocols that will be followed? We'll show you here. Once you enter a cinema hall, there will be a person who with a sanitizer, he'll ask your name and he will also check if you have an Arogya Setu. And then your thermal screening will be done. This will be the ticket counter. You can always book an online ticket and you can see markers here of social distancing that have been placed, and this is how people will need to stand. And now we'll take you inside the theatre from where we'll be able to go to the cinema hall. After you get your tickets and you enter a cinema hall, this will be the new normal. Each seat will be marked X after one seat, so leaving one seat in between. As per the government guidelines, that cinema halls must only have 50% seating capacity. And once you step out of the cinema hall for intervals, yes, food will be allowed in cinema halls. And this is how they will be serving it. Social distancing markers have been placed right behind the counter and everybody will be wearing a face shield. This is going to be my popcorn box, which is going to be sealed, and orders can be paid for in cash as well as on online payments. Remember that children from the ages of 6 and below and those who are older than 65 years of age will still not be allowed inside theatres for now. Shows can be seen, barring a morning show, a late night show will not start later than 9:30, and these are all the COVID protocols along with which you will be able to enjoy a cinema experience, and a safe one, as we move into Unlock. With Waqar Ahmed, Milan Sharma for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.